Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. The story behind this week's video goes back a couple months. When I was working, I saw this Jeep sitting in this yard, and after a few months of conversation with the owner, he finally decided to sell it to us. Guys, I'm super pumped to get this Jeep home. This is one of my favorite Jeeps of all time, and one we had been looking for a couple of years, and then we found one about 20 miles from the house. So just super excited to get it home. So come go with us, follow along as we bring home this 1988 Grand Wagoneer. Since the Jeep had sat a couple years with old tires, we decided to trailer it home to avoid any tire issues. We trailered it to a shop a couple blocks from the house and unloaded it, and Jonathan drove it on home. Well, here we are on a walk around of the 88 Grand Wagoneer. We've got our home, and she definitely needs a good cleaning. I'm going to tackle that later today, but body wise, pretty solid. No visible rust. Might be something on the floor pans, haven't checked that yet, but the rockers and fenders all look great. The vinyl is not as bad as some that I've seen. The back is pretty faded, but just super dirty. Little scratch right here, only little spot. There's right behind the right front fender. There's a little damage, but not horribly bad. Just does need a super good cleaning and does need some interior work. The only thing I was a little concerned about was someone has added a sunroof, which I'm not super pleased about, but it can be fixed. Interior dash pad looks good. Dash looks pretty good. Door panel's off right now. Does have to be gone through, and there's some electrical work that's got to be done to it. It's I have seen the dash pads way worse than this. It's not terribly bad. Carpet's used up, and the driver's seat is not original. Headliner definitely needs a new headliner, but overall, for the price, pretty good little ride. And we can't wait to get started on it. It does run and drive, so that's a bonus too. So as you can tell, the Wagoneer cleaned up really nice, and you will definitely be seeing more of it on upcoming videos. So that's going to do it for this week's video. So until next time, if you get a chance, get out and go remote.